Well, since it's a decent day here in Ohio, first of the year, and it's 61 degrees, it's rainy, I can do a couple little things out here, and I think it's time to refinish these nasty headlights of mine. All right, so I got these things, and I mean, they've been good for what they were, but they're just crap. They're sealed bad, and this and that. Starting spider web, clears coming off. They're just really nasty looking. It's time for them to be completely redone. So I started looking up on Vivid Vinyl. I've used their tint and their vinyls and stuff, and I love it. I love the products. But they had this new stuff out, and I was like, be kind of cool to play around with, see what it does, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a clear film to create a new clear coat on the headlight, but I want it to be a little different when the light hits it, but I don't want it to be too over commanding. So this obviously is pretty extreme, but this is their headlight tint. It's the Hex holographic, which I think is actually pretty slick, but when I put it on the headlight, it's actually very commanding. So here's one of the headlights that I did, and like I said, it's too much. I mean, it's cool, it's neat, I love the pattern, but it's just too much. So what I'm going to do is I have some spare Vivid vinyl tint, and I'm actually going to tint over them. So now here it is after I've applied a light tint over top of that clear that I put on there, and I actually thoroughly like it. I think it's pretty darn cool. It's not too much, but it's definitely something that's going to grab your eye, and it'll definitely pop at different lights. So I can't really wait to see this stuff during summertime. And now that the holidays are over with, today is the first of the year, we're going to start clearing everything out of this garage and hopefully get to start working on the stuff to make it actually perform better. We're trying to really see how quick we can make this thing and be able to enjoy it. So that's our goal. I would love to see 12s out of this car, NA, driving it to the track and driving it home. But until the weather clears up for me to be able to do more, and as long as I have a little aesthetic project I can do, those will suffice until I can really tear into this thing. So once again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.